Hi everyone, it's been a while. We are in the country, Gerber, California. My friend Kathy and Joe's. This is definitely farm country. But there's Shirley enjoying the farm. Nice and pleasant. Yep. We're here for a week. Thought I'd make a video of where we are. It's beautiful, of course. Out there is a prune orchard.
Turkeys.
Yep. There's
Here,
Dieter.
I'll wave at you.
Hi, Dieter.
The sun's in my eyes.
Yep. Big piles of wood
Bob,
everywhere.
what are you doing, Bob?
Big piles of wood, because it gets cold in the winter. Anyway, here's the laundry. That's her field out there. She bought property and it's 7 acres. 7 acres. They just mowed it. Some horses. Way out there. Yep. This field they mow and then they harvest all the grass from it and feed it to the cows. Yep, pretty nice. It's definitely farm. Here's her laundry. I think that's a cute name. I love it. We have a rooster.
That's One-Eyed Willie.
And they named him One-Eyed Willie.
He likes the mirror.
Yep, let's go take a picture of him. He's a cool rooster. One-Eyed Willie. He only has one eye.
He likes the mirror.
He's beautiful. Pretty soon he's going to have chicks. Yep, King Rooster. King Rooster.
Honey, over here one more time. I have to say hi to everyone. Let's see. Pinky, Lynn, Bob, Niecy, Aaron, Courtney, Heather, not in this order,
Shane.
Shane, God, there's a bunch of others. If I forgot you, I'm sorry, but hi to all of you.
Sit
We're
down
in
here
another
and
part of the country.
being countrified.
We're countrified with One-Eyed Willie and mowing the hayfield.
Yeah.
Woohoo! And hold on.
Oh, that probably doesn't look good. Way out there, they're going to build a chicken pen. For Willie, of course. Yep. We're loving being nice and comfy here in the country. We love you all. That's all you get for now. We'll be up in
enough, honey?
Rogue River State Park.
That's next.
That's next. Bye.
Going where the wind takes